Why do you have a buy rating on this stock?
Yeah, there's certainly a lot going on with Facebook right now, and it's one of those kind of emotional topics, kind of just like religion and politics. And aside from, I guess, a lot of the rhetoric around the name, there's obviously a lot of fundamental questions with the IDFA impact coming in this quarter, regulatory overhang, engagement questions. Why I continue to like it is, despite all of the noise, as we look ahead into 22, there's actually a lot to like about this story. User engagement's actually quite strong. Advertisers continue to stick around and invest, and we have many new initiatives coming online next year, particularly Shops, which should start monetizing in July of next year, which really gives the story a leg up once we get past this kind of negative media cycle that we're in today.
Well, Mark, certainly there have been negative media cycles in the past, but there is a question about whether this whistleblower meeting with the oversight board could really force major changes in terms of the way Facebook works and its ability to monetize its users. Do you consider that a real risk now?
I don't. I'm still waiting for details on what some of these larger changes might actually look like, because at the moment, it's mostly about levying lots of complaints against the company, but not much discussion has really been spent around what resolution looks like. And we look at kind of at the fundamentals that matter. Facebook's investing in moderation more than any other company in the space. It certainly put the oversight board there to begin with. It doesn't want to be in the moderation business. It certainly continues to push the privacy bar on advertising. There's talk about introducing new ad product that's effectively privacy first. So to me, when I look at it from an investor lens, engagement is strong. They're really kind of trying to cater to advertisers. And when I look at much of, kind of the complaints levied against Facebook, they don't appear to be Facebook issues. They're social media or internet issues more broadly. And so when I look at actually what can actually change with regards to some of the proposed about breakup, et cetera, Facebook actually quietly kind of filed to dismiss really the only antitrust suit that's on the table, which is the FTC suit against them, that I would actually argue is quite weak. So kind of from a pure fundamental basis, I don't see actually a lot of risk in the midterm.